Hello and welcome dear students. Today we are going to learn very important article. Generally one of the question can be asked on this article in board examination. So note this. So article is how to evaluate integration of 1 divided by a plus b cos x dx, integration 1 divided by a plus b sin x dx, or integration 1 divided by a plus b cos x plus c sin x dx. So procedure very simple. See how to evaluate this procedure here. For such type of integrals, in denominator a, b, c are constants and either cos x or sin x or both functions may be present in denominator. So how to evaluate integration? See here, we put here substitution tan x by 2 equal to t. Note that without this substitution we can't solve. So I will take here tan x by 2 equal to t. This is first substitution. Then we differentiate this derivative of tan x by 2 sec square x by 2 and multiply by derivative of x by 2, that is 1 by 2 into dx is equal to dt. From this we find the value of dx. Take this 2 on right side, so we get 2 dt divided by sec square x by 2. We know formula for sec square theta 1 plus tan square theta. Sec square x by 2 means 1 plus tan square x by 2 and that is equal to 2 dt divided by 1 plus, we have taken tan x by 2 as t, substitute here, so we get t square. This is, note that this is second substitution, that is value for dx. Then we know formula for sin x in terms of tan x. Sin x equal to formula is 2 tan x divided by 1 plus tan square x. So we get here 2t divided by tan x means t, 2t divided by 1 plus t square, that is third substitution. And fourth for cos x. We know formula for cos x in terms of tan, that is 1 minus tan square x divided by 1 plus tan square x, and that is 1 minus t square divided by 1 plus t square, that is fourth substitution. Note that in this article we have to use this 4 substitution: equation number 1, equation number 2, equation number 3, equation number 4. So after using these substitutions, we evaluate given integral, we simplify, we get some standard form and we can apply one of the 7 standard formula and we can write the integral. So this is a very simple procedure. Now we will see problems on this. Note that these 4 substitutions are very important for solving the problems. Now we solve some problems. First problem. Evaluate integration 1 divided by 3 plus 2 sin x dx of the type integration 1 divided by a plus b sin x dx. We know procedure, we put here tan x by 2 equal to t. After differentiation we can find the value of dx, but from that theory part, equation 2, we know value of dx. Dx is 2 dt divided by 1 plus t square. Then sin x given, so use formula for sin x, that is 2t divided by 1 plus t square. Then we substitute this in given integral. Suppose given integral I, that is equal to integration numerator 1 dx. Dx means 2 dt divided by 1 plus t square. Denominator 3 plus 2 sin x, its value 2t divided by 1 plus t square, and simplify this. Take 2 constant outside, integration. In denominator we take cross multiplication. Note that this 1 plus t square, this 1 plus t square cancel and we get numerator as dt only. In denominator 3 into 1 plus t square, so multiply by 3, 3 into 1 plus 3 into t square plus 2 into 2t, that is 4t. So it is equal to 2 integration dt divided by 3t square plus 4t plus 3, and we know this is article integration 1 divided by ax square plus bx plus c. How to evaluate? We know procedure. First step, we take coefficient of t square as common. So here 2 by 3 outside, 1 by 3 common, integration dt divided by t square plus 4 divided by 3 into t plus 3 outside, we get 1 here. Then we find last term for making the complete square. Note that last term equal to, you know formula already. What is formula? 1/2 coefficient of t here 4 divided by 3 and take its square, that is 4 upon 2 means 2 divided by 3 its square, and that is 4 divided by 9 is the last term. So continue. It is equal to 2 by 3 outside, integration dt divided by t square plus 4 divided by 3 into t, add last term 4 by 9, then write this plus 1, subtract last term minus 4 by 9. So it is equal to 2 divided by 3 integration dt divided by, so your first 3 terms nothing but expansion of this t plus 2 by 3 square, and subtraction of last 2 terms, LCM 9, 9 into 1 9, 9 minus 4, we get plus 5 divided by 9. Now write in terms of square. So it is equal to 2 divided by 3 integration dt divided by t plus 2 by 3 its square plus second term nothing but square of root 5 by 3. Then apply standard formula, compare with standard formula. This is of the right, 1 upon x square plus a square. The second formula, 1 divided by a means root 5 divided by 3 tan inverse, here x means t plus 2 divided by 3, a means root 5 divided by 3 plus c. So it is equal to this 3 and this 3 cancel, so we get 2 divided by root 5 tan inverse, take LCM 3, cross multiplication, we get here 3t plus 2. Note that this 3 and this 3 cancel, divide by root 5 plus c, and finally replace t. So 2 divided by root 5 tan inverse in bracket 3, t means t is tan x by 2 plus 2 divided by root 5 plus c, and the solution completed. So in the second, second problem, integration 1 divided by 4 minus 5 cos x dx. So first we put tan x by 2 equal to t, derivative, after derivative we can find dx, or write dx directly. Dx means 2 dt divided by 1 plus t square. Here cos x given, so use formula substitution for cos x, that is 1 minus t square divided by 1 plus t square. Suppose given integral I equal to integration dx means 2 dt divided by 1 plus t square, denominator 4 minus 5, cos x means 1 minus t square divided by 1 plus t square. After cross multiplication, 1 plus t square cancel and 2 taken outside, integration and dt divided by 4 into 1 plus t square, that is 4 plus 4t square, multiply by minus 5 to 1 minus t square, so get minus 5 minus plus 5t square. So it is equal to 2 integration dt divided by, here 5t square plus 4t square, 9t square, minus 5 plus 4 minus 1, here coefficient of t square 9, take common, so 2 divided by 9 outside, integration dt divided by t square minus 1 by 9. Then write in terms of square, 2 divided by 9 integration dt divided by t square minus 1 by 3 square. Apply standard formula. Formula number 6 here. 1 divided by 2. A means 1 by 3 log t minus 1 by 3 divided by t plus 1 by 3 plus c, and simplify. 9 divided by 3. These two to cancel. So we get 1 by 3 here. Log cross multiplication 3t minus 1 divided by 3t plus 1 plus c, and finally replace t. 1 by 3 log in bracket 3, t means tan x by 2 minus 1 divided by 3 tan x by 2 plus 1 plus c, and the solution completed. Then next problem, third type. Integration 1 divided by 3 plus 2 sin x minus cos x dx. Third type. Both functions are present, sin x, cos x. Procedure same. We put here tan x by 2 equal to t. Then dx equal to formula 2 dt divided by 1 plus t square. Then write for sin x 2t divided by 1 plus t square. Then for cos x 1 minus t square divided by 1 plus t square. And therefore given integral becomes I equal to integration dx means 2 dt divided by 1 plus t square. Denominator 3 plus 2 sin x means 2t divided by 1 plus t square minus cos x means 1 minus t square divided by 1 plus t square, and simplify this. 2 outside, integration dt divided by, after cross multiplication 1 plus t square cancel, and we get in denominator 3 into 1 plus t square, that is 3 plus 3t square plus 2 into 2t 4t minus 1 minus plus t square. So it is equal to 2 integral dt divided by 3t square plus t square 4t square plus 4t 3 minus 1 2. Then take 1 by 4 common, so it is equal to 2 into 1 by 4 common, integration dt divided by t square plus t plus 4 common, that is 2 by 4 means 1 by 2 here, 2 by 4 1 by 2 integration dt divided by t square plus t, you know article, add and subtract last term equal to formula 1 by 2, you know formula 1 by 2, coefficient of t here 1 and its square, that means 1 by 4, 1 by 4 is the last term. So 1 by 4 plus 1 by 2 and subtract 1 by 4. So it is equal to 1 by 2 integration dt divided by first 3 terms t plus 1 by 2 square, last 2 terms LCM 4 divided by 2 minus 1 1, so 1 by 4. The right in terms of square 1 by 2 integration dt divided by t plus half square plus 1 by 2 square. Apply formula 1 upon x square plus a square, that is second formula. 1 by 2 integration 1 divided by a means 1 by 2 here, tan inverse, here x means t plus 1 by 2, a means 1 by 2 plus c, so it is equal to 2 to cancel, tan inverse, take LCM 2t plus 1, this 2 and this 2 cancel, plus c, so it is equal to tan inverse 2 replace t, tan x by 2 plus 1 plus C. Hence solution completed. So article very important. Note that. We'll stop here. Goodbye.